How do you add or remove time from a cell that has date and time in Excel or Google Sheets? This is part 14 of Back to School Bootcamp for Spreadsheets. My friend Susie needed some help, and I think she's not the only one who has this question, so I'm going to share the answer with you. To add or remove time from a cell, regardless if that cell has a date and time or just the time, it's as simple as equal the cell that had the time that you're trying to add or subtract to, and then plus or minus depending on the operation you're trying to do, time, open parenthesis, and then the time that you want to add or remove. In this case, we're adding and removing an hour. So 1, 0, 0. The first number is always the hour, the second number is the minutes, and the third number is the seconds. And this works in both Excel or Google Sheets exactly the same way. If you want to learn more tips and tricks on how to work with Excel or Google Sheets, don't forget to follow.